Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is going to be the new vibes here on the channel. Guys, at the back we have icon controls, USB-C. There is no center seat, so this is a Grand Coupe. There's only 2 seats at the back. You can sit here, but then you have to put your feet on that side. On this side we have carbon fiber, the back of the seats. I think this is optional extra carbon fiber, but this one was not spec to that. Bowers and Wilkins sound system in here. It sounds absolutely amazing. We got the M stitching in the seat belts. And we have this brown leather that it's been specced out with. It does have 2-tone sometimes, so this one is specced out with. And then we have the lighting, wood lighting at the back here too. Sure, what a place to be. What a place to be. Let's get in the front quickly. So close. Just get in the front. Check it out. Oh my. Ooh-wee. So we do have, it is an M package and it does have the V8 twin turbo. So we have M Sport here, we got M1, M2 for your manual mode selector. I think it's an 8-speed automatic. USB-C. And then we got the iDrive system. So yeah, so now this is my utter first reaction. I didn't get in this car till I wanted to actually get in the car first, so yeah, and I'm feeling it now. All the leather feels supple, guys. I've been telling you, BMW's been doing the things with interiors, and everything feels quality. This is a second-hand car. It has 34,000 kilometers on the clock. It's still under motor plan, and none of the leather is messed up. Everything still looks brand new. And we got the pillarless doors going here, so real Grand Coupe style. Okay, it's got this grey pearl color to it, and sure, stunning, absolutely stunning color. All the carbon fiber bits. So this car is at the super sale. I think it's the only one for sale right now in Cape Town competition, this spec. Yeah, I think the only second-hand one, and we have the carbon ceramic bricks. Yeah. The car needs nothing. It does have no recalls. I don't think there's any repairs that have been done. The car is still stock standard and ready to go. Move it into the shade. It's like impossible here in the sun, so man's just gonna get a bit of a drive now here. It's got the park mirror where the mirror goes down to the pavement when you turn it, and it's very strange to me. But I don't know how you guys prefer it. Do you like rather, because we're going to be speaking about cars, you guys rather want to hear kilowatts or do you want to hear horsepower? Do you want to hear Newton meters or do you want to hear foot pounds? Fuel economy displays 10.7 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Massive boot, guys. I can't even reach the end of the boot. What happened? What happened? Try and reach the end. Try and reach the back seats. Come on, that's so big. This boot is massive. It's not very deep. Does it come with, can you lift this up? I don't think you can lift the floor. There's no handle or anything like that.
This vehicle don't come with a spare.
Oh. Smoker's package at the back here. We got the, in case they steal you, you pull this open the boot. Massive, massive. Right? Carbon fiber spoiler. How's that back seat, bro? How are you sitting?
Cramp for headspace.
How's your headspace? Are you against the thing?
Not entirely, but it does feel like you're,
A bit tight.
yeah, it's a little bit. It reminds me of the Mercedes-Benz SLS
Yes.
with a sharp
With a
back.
sloping back,
There you
yeah.
go.
Okay. And I also thought this was a hatchback, but it's not.
I thought it was the two-door
No,
though.
no, it's a
First time
four door.
I
It's the Grand Coupe. I think the Grand Coupe is a four door. I think the Coupe is just a two door. So this one does have the two extra doors, but it doesn't change anything. It still has the same top speed, same power, same. So let me sit in the front seat and see while he's sitting like that. Is it cramp? Let me see. No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You're sitting alright.
I'm sitting cool.
So you and your big guy friends can go for a mad trap on this thing.
How's your leg room though?
Nah, dude, my legs are stretched out. It's like stretched out nice.
Cool. I can also still stretch mine a bit.
Yes, it's stretched out a little bit. It's not bad at all. I'm loving the pillarless doors. We've got the carbon fiber mirrors over here. Sure. Nice grab handle. I'm just going to give it a 2-second. Here we go. It does also have the volume. You can do this with the volume. Nice blue mood lighting here by your feet. Oh, the stitching is not white. It's like a light grey. So that's me and Tashika sitting inside. We're enjoying the front of the car right now. And we've driven it from there to here. I'm not allowed to drive the cars. These used cars, we cannot damage it. You know, I don't want that sort of liability. So we're just kind of chilling here. How's it, Tashika? How's it, bro?
It's good.
Yeah, so what are your reactions on this car?
Look, to be honest with you, if I'm going to compare it to the BMW M4, it is a lot more spacious.
Is it?
Yeah, I would, especially for
In
the
the
back,
back.
though, 100%. The cockpit feels a bit.
You can move the seat on the side there.
Feels a
You
bit.
have the buttons. Let's see if we
You
can
know, I'm
move
a
it back.
big guy.
Yeah, you're a big boy. You're not a big boy sideways, big boy tall.
It's not
Okay, I
too
think now
bad.
you're sitting alright.
Yeah, I'm sitting fine.
You got the
Space
arm
at
out
the
move.
back.
Can the arm out move work there? There we
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay.
But you see, I'm a tall dude.
I see. But you have a little bit of headroom. There's a little bit of
there is,
headroom.
there
It's a
is,
little
there
bit
is.
dark, but it's about this
Definitely.
much on top of his head. And he's a
It's
big
not too
boy.
bad.
You can see this car is performance orientated for
100%.
sure. And you can, this car is X-Drive, it has 4-wheel drive, but you can turn it completely off from the front and it can be just rear-wheel drive so you can catch on your shenanigans with it.
Here we go.
I think let's be honest, the important bit here, it's V8 twin turbo
Yeah.
and you can just use the rear wheels.
0 to 100 is 3.2 seconds.
Yeah, 3.2, the Coupe, the two-door is 2.8 seconds. Very small difference. This does the quarter mile in 10 seconds, a little bit over 10 seconds. So, straight out the factory.
Which is not bad.
You
at
can
all.
just, straight out the factory, you go give that,
At all.
there, you give that R, no, R is 4. What's R is 4?
Competition.
What is R is 4 quarter mile time?
Not entirely
I'm not
sure.
sure. I think it's also 10.8 or 10.9 seconds.
Something to
So
that
if you're
effect.
going to compare this car, because this car has X-Drive because 4-wheel drive launch, you can also get 10 seconds. So this car, as much as it is, and how much is the Audi RS3 right now? RS4. They're 1.6 million, something like that.
Something like that effect, yeah.
1.6 million, you have a smaller car. This car is going for 2,099,900 rand.
Correct.
That is a steal because this car spec'd out as is 3,300,000 rand. That's R1 million discount right there.
100%.
And if you get it with our code, which is KOG, you come here, you come to SMG in town, you can speak to any of the used salesmen and you ask them, hi, I'm here for the M8, or I'm here for, we're going to do some other cars also, and you will get another further discount on our code. So you have to mention our code, you have to speak to the salesman and say you're coming from us, you will get another further discount. And it's a significant discount. They're going to throw in some on-the-road fees also, and you're going to get a nice discount. And it's from me to you, guy. You want to buy this car, you're going to get it under 2 million without discount, just so you know. I think that's worth it. I think it's half price. Half price. It's up to you guys. You guys can come into the SMG
100%.
dealership. You can come inquire. There are a ton of used cars here. There's different kinds: BMW, Mercedes-Benz. I think there's a VW Golf, TSI here. So there's a whole lot of few things you can get. But just know that through us, from now onwards, you can get a nice discount at SMG. And it's a big thank you to SMG over here in town.
SMG Cape Town.
SMG Cape Town. That's a noon gun. It wasn't me, I swear. SMG Cape Town. And you can also thank King of Gloss, Shamik. King of Gloss is also helping us with this deal. So look here, I'm not just gonna do this, and me and Tashrik told ourselves we're not gonna do this. It's not just plain car reviews over here. No. We're not gonna tell you all that. We're gonna give you our opinion on the cars, right? Our honest opinion.
100%.
Honest opinion, because
100%.
if I had the money, I'd buy the car.
Me too. 100%.
I had the money for
I
what
mean,
you
at the end of the day,
for what you get. This car is still under motor plan. Yeah,
who
yeah,
wouldn't buy it?
yeah. What are your options for that price? What performance car wise? I mean,
And
you
they
can
fully spec out like this model.
yes,
is.
and you can take the wife and kids, and you can chuck stuff in the boot.
And
Okay?
you can do your shenanigans.
You can do your shenanigans, man. Now listen, guys, we're not allowed to do the shenanigans. Trust me, I will try. But I'm not allowed to do shenanigans. No. But my honest opinion is BMW is doing the things. We are car guys.
We are
I'm
car
not
guys,
here.
100%.
I'm not telling you, yeah, this is now, you know, I like this. This is the only type of car I like. Oh, I don't know if I can swear, guys. This is the coming here and telling you, yeah, you have to buy that. It's your opinion. All it's your opinion, and it's our opinion.
To say, if you buy the means.
If you buy the
and you're
means.
wanting a nice family sports vehicle,
With that needs nothing.
nothing. Literally, it's just get in and go.
Get in. Oh, sorry. Guys, I don't know the knoppies here. There's a lot of knoppies. Oh, what's going on?
It kind of looks like almost like a fighter jet kind of a cockpit.
Yeah, it's a very driver focused. I've been in the M4s and that. This cockpit is a little bit more driver focused. The roof line is a little bit lower, especially in the back. And we got some mood lighting over here. We have a leather covered gear knob, carbon fiber. We have drive select modes. We have exhaust button, which is very important. Exhaust button, people, very important button here. You got you got to press that. And you start the car in the morning. You click that. You click that.
Your neighbors could have a problem.
Yes, you
put it
can
that way.
click that. You start inside or outside. Let's give it a start. Foot on brake. Let's have a quiet. And just imagine you buy your neighbor's house and they're a Karen. Let's just. Ooh, no. She gonna stress. Oh, do we have heads up display there?
No. We do.
You have heads up. I can't see it from here.
I can see it from here.
Ooh, we have heads up display.
Oh, that's beautiful.
We have the heated steering wheel, by the way. Heated steering wheel. There's so much things to mention here. It doesn't have the sunroof, which is fine. I don't like cars with sunroofs, to be totally honest with you. We've got this Alcantara on the roof lining. That's why I think it's the best color for the seats. It's a nice chocolate milkshake color.
Suits it though.
Yeah.
And I mean, it feels like it's hybrid.
I don't know if it has active seats. I know it has heated and cooled seats. We have heated and cooled seats. And 5-way adjustable, and you can go back and forth. If you're technically a little bit wide, you might have a little bit of a problem, but yeah, I'm fine. I'm a big boy, so me and him big boy, and it's feeling quite nice. It's not too huggable. It's not getting you in your sides.
Yeah, which is cool though.
Yeah, and the back seats are the same, more or less.
You are a little bit of to the wide side.
Yeah, I'm a bit wide. Man's just made me. Yeah. And we got the extended under the knee, so that's very nice. On long trips, you want that.
That's perfect.
Yeah, but sure. I think, guys, that's a full one. I had a really nice time just actually spending some time with the car. Yeah, we don't really get to spend time with cars.
Well, let's just put it this way. We don't get time to spend much together.
Yeah, that's actually quite nice. That's actually quite nice.
We actually get an opportunity to bond.
Yeah, we're bonding.
Which we hardly do because we're
nice.
both
How's
busy
the
lives.
kids?
No, it's good. How's the kids?
It's fine on my side. Okay. But anyways, thank you for watching. just know that this will be what is going to be happening on the channel from now
moving
onwards.
forward. This is basically what we will be doing, and it will be the used vehicles at BMW Cape Town. So if you guys are wanting to come out to view the vehicle, to test drive the vehicle, you're more than welcome to come to Cape Town BMW.
You can speak to any of the salesmen on
Any of the salesperson. All you need to do is, if you're wanting to purchase the vehicle, please don't forget the catchphrase KOG.
Oh yes, do not forget
Very important.
Very
If you
important.
wanted to
They will
purchase the vehicle,
they will treat you like a normal customer if you don't say
yes,
KOG.
but if you say
which is
KOG,
not bad. You still
KOG, you get the whole treatment.
You gonna get extra, and you can get a discount. What's wrong with a discount? And it's only because I made this agreement with him. I'm not gonna make money here, guys. I'm not saving money. I'm not buying the car.
Yeah, well, look.
I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. I'm not giving cars away.
We are actually doing this at our own cost.
Yeah, I'm not giving cars away. I'm here for the content. I'm here to enjoy the car a little bit.
Yeah.
And if you guys can score a little discount, why not?
Why not?
Hey, we don't, you know what I mean? I don't want to give you prizes. I don't do giveaways. This is my giveaway to you guys. That money you're going to save when you buy this car.
I think is fair.
Yeah, I think it's nice. You can go on the SMG website. You can Auto Trader. They have cars on Auto Trader. If there's cars you want to see there also, there's cars you want us to do, comment us down below and what car you want to do.
We'll do it for you guys.
Yes.
It's not a problem.
Yes, that'll work. I think the auntie wants a car back.
Yeah.
I think they're giving us the stink eye.
The look.
Because we're gonna do more.
Please don't forget to give YP a follow. YP.
I don't know, just because I have one.
Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
And don't
do
forget
the same
to
for
do the
Tash
same on
Nation.
the side.
Don't forget to do the same for Tash Nation. Shot for coming through, Shot for helping me. We are both here today. He is gonna do me a favor and just help me around here. This is new to me. I've never done car reviews in this aspect. I've done 100%. Only my own car, done my wife's car, but yeah, we're gonna start diving into this sort of thing. But I want it to be genuine. I don't want me to just be reading off a page. I don't want me to just be giving you the facts of the car. I mean, you can look up and you can see videos on this car doing quarterbacks and all that.
You can flip and read the brochure.
Yeah, you come here and read the blower.
What difference does it make if you're not actually here?
Yeah, but just know that you can. Yeah, they are open on Saturdays also till 1 o'clock, I think.
Till 1 o'clock.
And you can come around and check the cars out through that time. You can come up for the test drive. You must obviously fill in some sort of paperwork. If you are serious about buying the car, you can take
Please, guys, you need to have license, eh?
No, you can't come here and want to come and drive here.
If you guys are wanting to know where King of Gloss is, they are actually situated in Klipfontein Road, right behind Jimmy's Garage in Surrey Estate.
Yeah.
So pop around over there. The prices are very reasonable.
Yes, and he does do a lot of things. He does ceramic coating.
100%.
He does. He now started doing a wrapping also. You can go wrap your car there if you want. I'm actually considering wrapping my cars on do a funky color, but yeah, actually considering wrapping my car. They do wrapping there. They do PPFs there. They do tinting there. Just polishing and buffing and glazing. He does. Just give him a call. We'll put his details down in the bottom. Give him a call and you can sort your car out. He can make your car look like if it needed attention. When it's done there, it's going to get that attention.
100%.
You know what I mean? So guys, we are out. I've spent a long time here, but I really hope you enjoyed our little, don't even know what to call this. It's not a review.
It's not a review. We just guys
impressions
coming out and just know.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe down below. If there's any car at SMG you want us to look at, comment down below. If there's anything you're sort of interested in, comment down below. Is this the sort of cars you want? You want sports cars? You want performance cars, or do you want the more daily cars? Do you want the more cheaper cars? Do you want the more affordable cars? Let me know down below. I will do affordable cars too, because we wanted to start off nice with something hectic,
100%.
and then we're gonna catch on the normal stuff. They do have a Corolla here, a Corolla Quest. I want to actually feel that thing. I want to feel the power, because that thing just fly past me every time. I don't even know what it is. Is it 1.4, 1.6?
I'm not sure. I haven't actually read it though.
Oh man, that thing fly past me every chance they get. So, the man just. Guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe down below. We out.
Thank you guys.
Shot us. Be nice, man. Chatting a bit, catching on nonsense. This is what I enjoy. This is what I enjoy. This is it's literally a mix between like podcast and cars.
True.
I want to say podcast, but there's already a channel called Podcast.
Yeah.
So same man. I think I'm gonna take it from now on. Oh, I'm getting another stink eye. I'm getting another stink eye.